DjWest.
In the mix. In the mix.
It's DjWest in the mix.
Nelly, I love you. I do. Need you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I'm like a chicken, she just moved right up the back for me. And she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. But oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, when that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I better make this with him mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to
come
me.
on.
I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about that girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day, hey, as you can see. But I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seater. Now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him. But you and me got times for different reasons. I respect that. Right before I turn to leave, she said,
you don't know what you mean to me. I do. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
sing it for me, Kay.
I love you and I need you. Nelly, I love you. I do.
Come on, girl.
And it's more than you'll ever know. Boy, it's for sure. You can always count on my love forevermore. Yeah.
East Coast, I know you shake it right.
Now this one dedicated to all of you them who out there and know to say nice things to them girls. Treat her like diamonds and pearls. Dedicated to all the girls around the world. Now this is Raven and Shaggy with a combination we can't mix. Flip this one for your musical disc.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
Life is one big party when you're still young, but who's gonna have your back when it's all done?
Yeah.
It's all good when you live for your pure fun. Can't be a fool, son. What about the long run?
Nah.
Looking back, shorty, always a mention. Say me not giving her much attention.
Yeah.
She was there through my incarceration. I wanna show the nation my appreciation.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, lady.
You're a queen and that's how you should be treated. Though you never get the loving that you needed.
Yeah.
To the left but I call and you heeded. Begged and I pleaded, mission completed. And I said that I and I this the program. Not the type to mess around with your emotion.
Yeah.
But the feeling that I have for you is so strong. Been together so long and this could never be wrong.
Girl, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Closer than my peeps, you are to me, baby. Shorty, you're my angel, you're my darling angel. Girl, you're my friend when I'm in need, baby.
don't go.
It's such a shame, but I'm leaving. Can't take the way you mistreated me. And it's crazy, but oh baby, it don't matter whatever, don't faze me.
I don't believe you wanna leave like this. I don't believe I just had my last real kiss. I do believe we'll laugh and reminisce. Wait a minute, don't bounce, baby, let's talk about this, man.
Well, I'm bouncing and I'm out, son. I gotta leave you alone, cause I'm good, holding down my spot, and I'm good, repping the girls on the block, and I'm good. I got this thing on lock, so without me you'll be fine, right? All my pride is all I have.
Pride is what you had, baby girl, I'm what you have.
You'll be needing me, but too bad.
Be easy, don't make decisions when you're mad.
The path you chose to run alone.
I know you're independent, you can make it on your own.
Here with me, you had a home.
But time is of the essence, why spend it alone, huh?
Yeah.
DjWest.
Shorty, I know what you need. Got everything you need. I promise I ain't gonna hold out, nigga. I'm gonna give it all to you, baby. Swear to God. Bust it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want. You know I got it, baby. If you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I
We've
got
been
it.
together for a few years, shed a few tears, called each other nicknames like Sugar Plum and Pooh Bear. I'm always on the road, hardly ever home. Always busy this, busy that, can't talk on the phone. I know you aggravated, walk around frustrated, patience getting short. How longer can you tolerate it? Listen, ma, I'm just motivated. I do this for us, stuck on the grind, trying to elevate it.
Hey, yo, to really be honest, you stuck with me through my whole struggle. Can't even express through words how much the kid loves you. I'ma stand as a man, never above you. I could tell that you different from most, slightly approach you in the ill shit about it. We don't sex every day, but when we sex, we tease in a passionate way. Love the way you touch it, those little elaborate ways. Got the guard feeling released to relax for the day. It's on you,
Baby,
ma.
if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want, you know I got it.
Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. I know what you want, you know I got it. Baby, if you give it to me, I'll give it to you. As long as you want.
Shh, mommy, listen. I feel your love for me, baby, and how it moves through you. I've been longing for the moment to talk the truth to you. Listen, I'm never home, I always get up and go. Putting you through the unnecessary rigmarole. I never meant to put 1,000 pounds of stress on your head. I love the way we sleep and how we always cut up.
DjWest.
Okay.
From the day that I met you, girl, I knew that your love would be everything that I ever wanted in my life. From the moment you spoke my name, I knew everything had changed. Because of you, I felt my life would be complete. Oh, baby, I need you for the rest of my life, girl. I need you to make everything right, girl. I love you, and I'll never deny that I need you. DjWest. Nothing matters but you, my love, and only God above could be the one to know exactly how I feel. I could die in your arms right now.
mistake. Now the first real mistake. Now the first real mistake. Now the first real mistake I did was giving your ass the keys to my crib. I never did think you would know this. You should know that I worked hard for this. But since I'm the last to know, when you get some ground, you get down like a pro. But you gon' be the first to know. You don't need to be here after the show tonight.
Meet me at the crib, you gotta go tonight. After the show tonight, after the show tonight. Meet me at the crib, you gotta go tonight. My crib, never thought that you could play me like this. Bring around another get back in, bitch. I know I see some disrespect in my day, but this just is the get in my crib. Never thought that you could play me like this. Bring around another get back in, bitch. I know I see some disrespect in my day, but this just is the get out of my crib.
Now the second real mistake I did was believing that you really be at the crib, chilling with your girls, watching movies. See your girls are here and I'm busting mine. Working from 9 to 5, just to buy the things, all the things you wanna buy. It's all about the end today. I'm gonna go on my way, you gon' go on your way.
Meet me at the crib, you gotta go tonight.
Gotta
After
go
the show
tonight.
tonight, after the show tonight. Meet me at the crib, you gotta go tonight. My crib,
All up in my crib. Never thought that you would play me like this, no.
I see some disrespect in my day.
I'm singing on my crib.
If tomorrow is Judgment Day, and I'm standing on the front line, and the Lord asks me what I did with my life, I will say I spent it with you. It's alright. If I wake up in World War III, I see destruction and poverty, and I feel like I wanna go home. It's okay if you're coming with me. It's alright.
Tip drill, I said it
be about trust.
What's love?
Got to do it.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me. What's love?
Yeah, slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips and licks her lips. She could be the office type, but like to strip. Girl, you get me aroused, how you look in my eye. But you talk too much, man, you're ruining my high. I don't wanna lose the feeling, cause the roof is ceiling is on fire. And you looking good for the getting, I'm a rider. Whether in a hoodie or a linen, a provider. You should see the jury on my women, and I'm living it up. The squad stay filling the truck with chicks that's willing to trizz with us. You say you got a man and you're in love, but what's love gotta do with a little menage? After the party, me and you could just slide for a few, and she could come too. That's love.
Got to do it, baby.
What's love? It's about us, it's about just me. What's love?
Got to do it, baby.
What's love? It should be about us, it should be about just me.
Tell the girl what I said about you. On our own time and every other on you. You stop the flex, the thing that you do. Bounce, baby, bounce, let me bounce with you. Come on, baby, like the way that you move. Rocking and jacking the stage into my groove. Come on, baby, let me see you let loose. Wanna see you move when you back up, roll up, shake what you gotta make the whole place stand up. Back up, roll up, give me some of that 'cause you sure got it up. Back up, roll up, shake what you gotta make the whole place stand up. Back up, roll up, give me some of that, babe. Ooh, I can't believe what I see. The hottest girl down in the West Indies. Come on, baby, shake it from me. Hot like fire, sting like me. Who's that? Who's got a lot to shake, baby, shake. 'Cause you sure got a lot. You're stepping in the place, you're burning up the spot. Come on, baby, let me see what you got. Back up, roll up, shake what you gotta make the whole place stand up. Back up, roll up, give me what you got. 'Cause you sure got it all. Back up, roll up, shake what you gotta make the whole place stand up. Back up,
Mario Pantera, reggaeton, reggaeton para tu corazón.
baby, I just don't get it. Do you enjoy being hurt? I know you smell the perfume, the makeup on the shirt. You don't believe your stories. You know that there are lies. Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. If I was your man, baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. The type of woman deserve good things. This for the diamonds, a head for the rain. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need. Baby, good love and protection. Make me your selection. Show you the way love's supposed to be. Baby, you should let me love you.
Yo te amo, yo te necesito.
Love you. Yeah.
Que no te irás.
Listen, your true beauty's description looks so good that it hurts. You're a dime plus 99, and it's a shame. Don't even know what you're worth. Everywhere you go, they stop and stare, 'cause you're bad and it shows. From your head to your toes, out of control. Baby, you know. Baby, you never worry about what I do. I be coming home back to you every night, doing you right. The type of woman deserves good things. This for the diamond, a handful of rings. Baby, you're a star. I just wanna show you you are. You should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want and need.
Oh, this little girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. If I ever tell you about Maxine, you ought to say I don't know what I know, but murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote, murder she wrote.
Action with him, a pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold chaka. Follow me. A pretty face and bad character. Them the kind of living can hold whole jacket say, girl, you pretty. Your face it pretty, but your character dirty. Girl, you just a act too flirty, flirty. You run to Tom Dick and also hurry. And when you find your mistake, you talk about you sorry, sorry, sorry. Come on.
Have a cozy corner where she jokes and where she jam. She know about Luke like an every money man. Make love with the coolie Chinese, white man and Indian. The wickedest kind of girl that miss suppliers buck up. And now know you heard about this girl, her name is Maxine. Her beauty's like a bunch of roses. And if I ever tell you about Maxine, you would say I don't know what I know. But murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. Na na na. Murder she wrote.
Watch her now stand still. You not pay me like bill. If you test a ragamuffin, girl, you go and get killed. Girl, keep wait. Cause you a crebe, crebe. And the lyrics when me talk, it me DJ, girl, come out. Because you not shock out. And when you hear the ragamuffin, you have to jump and shout. Don't touch me gator. You not pay me what I read the concrete is. DjWest.
I got the head sick into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the head sick into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. When I pull up out front, you see the Benz on dub. When I roll 20 deep, it's 29s in the club. Niggas heard I fuck with Dre, now they wanna show me love. When you sell like Eminem and the hoes, they wanna fuck. But homie, ain't nothing changed, hold down, G's up. I see exhibit in the cut, they nigga roll that weed up. You watch how I move, and mistake before I play up here. Been hit with a few shells, but I don't walk with a limp. In the hood, in the lady saying 50, you hot. They like me, I want them to love me like they love pop. But holla in New York, the niggas tell you I'm loco. And the plan is to put the rap game in the choke. I'm fully focused, man. My money on my mind, got a meal out the deal, and I'm still in the grind. Now shorty says she feeling my style, she feeling my flow. A girl from Wooded, they buy, and they ready to go. I'm in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the head sippy into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. You can find me in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the head sippy into taking drugs. I'm into having sex, I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug, get into getting rough. My flow, my show brought me to go. That brought me all my fancy things. My crib, my cars, my clothes, my shoes. Look, nigga, I done came up and I ain't changed. And you should love it way more than you hate it, nigga, you mad? I thought that you be happy I made it. I'm that cat by the bar, toasting to the good life. You that faggot ass nigga tryna pull me back, right? My junk get the bumping in the club, it's on. I'm with my eyes, bitch, if she smash, she gone. Hit the roof on fire, let the motherfucker burn. If they're talking about money, homie, I ain't concerned. I'ma tell you what banks told me, cause go ahead, switch the style up. If niggas get to let them hate them, watch the money pile up. Or we can go upside their head with a bottle of blood. They know where we fucking be. You can find me in the club, bottle full of books. With money, I got the head, I'm gonna take the drugs. I'm gonna have the sex, I ain't gonna make the love.
I used to rock Sergio Tashima, C&G bikinis. Now I'm hot stepping in my Queen B collection. Got gear to match my whips from Monday to Sunday. Designers give me exclusive straight off the runway. That's how it is. My is laid out. Some of y'all show up, but like jeans, I fade out. Whatever. Fly out the crew, hit the beach in Miami. Watch me shake my fanny in my iced out pants. Mini man and Little Kim calling on. People from East, West, North, and South. Say I'm the MC with the lost mode. Put that on my unborn kids. We do it way big.
Y'all open up them wider, let me get inside there and walk your whole night. How would this girl you want fight? I kick up on her head like a man, she want fight, alright. Open up your them wider, let me get inside there and walk your whole night. How would this girl you want fight? I kick up on a real like a man, she want fight from you a tappa tappa.
Control the moves.
Tappa tappa.
Let the diamond show.
From you a tappa tappa.
Me look good and I'm close.
Tappa tappa.
Bad girl, not for
so,
those.
so, give me tappa. Another tappa. Entertainer. Boss man a real tappa tappa. Do one. Pop your collar.
Yeah. She's got the touch I love so much. That's all I ever wanted. I'm sure you got this. Under her spell, she had me crushed. I sworn I was anointed.
She had me drooling for a while with her sexual motion, like taking candy from a child. I can't believe the changes I've made since I met my baby. You know,
she drives me crazy. On and on. What a beautiful lady.
On and on. She drives me crazy. On and on. And there's no ifs, no maybe. She goes on and on. Oh yeah.
Like a volcano, she erupts, blowing up my pages. I realize she likes my stuff. I chose the right flavor.
I've never trusted pretty smiles. See what model profiles.
From you never lie with another man in a bed. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never sex a girl when she on a cold red. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you never feel a shoulder muscle with your third leg. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. No girl never kiss him after she don't give you head. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. Well in a bed with man and woman should have gone caress. So fire upon the people where they with the same sex. No matter how you honey and no matter how you less. No girl not for use a cocky as a cortex. Much less for you to try to check your one to get a fix. Them won't go through the buck up when you have to take a piss. And you know one no girl to come and kiss you on your lips. After she tongue did a lip below your hip. No you never tell your friend to save yourself from the feds. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And when your bus are full of rocks it full of copper and lead. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. No boy never make you slurp from where you rest your head. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And them never go to feed join no gang and pledge. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. Where from you never inform make no price on your head. Your friend them no vex with you and want you dead. You know waste out your chat to paint the town red. Cause when you bust it up I feel make Babylon flip. You have your one of mine and you no quick for the bread. Figure wear a color kerchief and tie up your head. You got for your yard cause that's who you were dead. And them can't run you from where you're born and bred. You have a ganja man and you wanna cook it. Tell them nothing no go so. You never buy a bag of Cersei and think a lamb spread. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you no smoke with the joke and fig it a higher med. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you respect Rasta liberty, you not dish no dread. Tell them it's a lassie I know. Where from you never put no cocaine in your cigarette. Before you would have pepper smoke 10 pound of cess. And when you touch a bag of weed you not to second guess. Whether if a bush tea or ganja leaves or something less. You smoke it to your purpose and you smoke it through your breast. To penetrate and meditate, alleviate the stress. Rasta remedy for years and it don't have no contest. Who would have make you transgress and disrespect? You put on the one no bigger than a basin keg. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. And you know shape cookie like the alphabet and letter Z. Tell them it's a nothing no go so. Them not calling me pigeon now.
Girls like glue and I man now play number 2. All I know the time is just getting jet. Need a lot of trees up in my head. And a lot of dental in my bed to run that real. Well, I know flicker girl, them on the road, them got the goody. Watching me up and tell them don't take out the woody. Front way, back way, I cut the came on up and show me. Virgin, them want give me and me up and took it. Hot girls out the road, I say them see me. And I tell me, say them have something for gimme. How much time I night, them all a dream about the Jimmy. Them a promise and I tell me, say you feel me. But a promise is a compared to a fool, so cool. But they don't know, say that man a fi rule the school. When I pet them, just wet them up just like a pool. When I dignitary way, I fi use up my tool. But I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I might not play number 2. All I know this time is just getting jet. Need a lot of cheese up in my head. Got a lot of dancing in my bed to run that relay. So how can they want big up them chests? But they don't know that to go for they are rated as the best. I wouldn't they love is the stand up all this. When I get up in the guy, you only girls with your request. Just give me the girl them. Yo, in every minute I'm with it, forget the girl them. Excuse it and get them regular visit. Just give me the girl them. Now them all a pressure, me sell it and say me. I did up for them off and beat them big papa. Give me the girl them. Off of the chronic we take a drag. And I don't mean to brag. Every day I got to shag. Give me the girl them. Every time I look in, my mind is on the girls. I want to find and show me love them desire. But I don't really care what people say. I don't really watch what them want do. Still I got to stick to my girls like glue. And I might not play number 2. All I know the time is just getting jet. Need a lot of cheese up in my head. Got a little damsel in my bed to run that real. Some guy I live them life and them not really want check it. Them not a girl, no wife, no woman, them not select it. Sometimes me have to wonder if them head set them wreck it. I know them a go for them if they don't want correct it.
See, all I know
Please.
is that my girlfriend used to date you. How would you feel if she held you down and raped you? Tried and tried, but she never could escape you. She was in love, and I'd ask her how. I mean, why? What kind of love from a nigga would black your eye? What kind of love from a nigga every night make you cry? What kind of love from a nigga make you wish he would die? I mean, shit, he bought you things and gave you diamond rings, but them things wasn't worth none of the pain that he brings, and you stayed. What made you fall for him? That nigga had the power to make you crawl for him. I thought you was a doctor, be on call for him. Smacked you down cause he said you was too tall for him. That wasn't love, baby girl, you was dreaming. I could've killed you when you said your seed was growing from his seed.
It's blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love, it's truly not. You get to elevate that vibe. It's blind, and it'll take over your mind. What you think is love, it's truly not. You get to elevate that vibe. Hit me. Hit me. Hit me.
In the mix. In the mix.
This DjWest in the mix.
Mississippi putting it down, I'm the hottest round. I told y'all mother, y'all can't stop me now. Listen to me now, I'm lasting 20 rounds. And if you want me, then come on get me now. Is you with me now? Then biggie bounce. I know you dig the way I switch my style. Holla, 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 holla. People sing around, now people gather round, now people jump around. Get your freak on, 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 get your freak on. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that bitch? Who's that bitch? People you don't know, me and Timberland been high since 20 years ago. What the dealio? Now what the drillio? You wanna battle me then let me know. Got the feeling, son, let me throw you some. People here I come, now sweat me when I'm done. We got the radio shook like we got a gun. Get your freak on, 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 get your freak on. Quiet, 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 quiet. Hush your mouth, silence when I spit it out. In your face, open your mouth, give you a taste. Holla, ain't no stopping me. Copywritten, so don't copy me. Y'all do it sloppily, and y'all can't come close to me. I know you feel me now, I know you hear me loud. I scream it loud and proud. Missy gon' blow it down. People gon' play me now, in and out of town, cause I'm the best around with the crazy style. Get your freak on, 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 get your freak on.
East, North, South, West, DjWest.
DjWest is the best. G will say so.
What's up, everyone? You know what time it is. It's your boy J-Slot on the mic and DjWest on the deck.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. G will is on your stereo. DjWest is on the mixer. He's on the turntable. He's on the God of mercy. Keeps crashing it. The people are feeling you. The people are feeling you. The people are feeling you.
Wait. It's with you, Abi, no sweet you. It's with you. Are you? Time to do your own part. Oh yeah? Hit the subscribe button. May you be part of our family. And press the notification bell. So that anytime we will release any content on top of YouTube, you are gonna be the first to watch it. I love you. Mwah. See you in the next episode. You get it? If you don't get it, forget about it.